Cross stitch is basically pixel art, which means you can easily make your own patterns. I make my patterns in a special cross stitch software called KG Chart. It makes life easier, but in the end I am just coloring in squares, so you can also use things like Excel or even some grid paper. I can specify exact thread colors in this software, but I often just end up picking whatever threads in my stash I think will work. Cross stitch fabric has a grid woven into it, so that you can simply follow that with your stitches. I like to draw a 10 by 10 grid on the fabric with a water-soluble marker, and the same on the pattern. This way I always have an easy reference point nearby. To make a cross stitch, you literally just stitch across. So you come up through a hole from the back of the fabric and leave a small thread tail on the back. This will be your bottom left corner. Go down the top right corner and come back up the bottom right corner. Then go down the top left. And that's a cross stitch. That's pretty much all there's to it, so you just keep repeating this over and over again, following your pattern. To save time, you can use a single movement to go down and back up the fabric. Make sure you make each of your cross stitches in the same order. If you vary the direction of the top thread, it'll reflect light differently and look kinda messy. When you're done, wash your piece in some warm water to remove the grid lines and any dirt or stains. To frame it, cut a piece of strong cardboard in the size of your frame. Use thread to evenly tension the fabric across it and put it in your frame. And that's it. If you don't want to make your own patterns, there's plenty available online and in books and that sort of thing, but my favorite to buy patterns is definitely on Etsy.